What's up, Team DMS? It's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a haircut version relaxer in a simple pixie style. She did not want a style that was high maintenance. She usually is one of my girls that get the nice pretty curls and the waves, but she did not want that today, and I was so happy to be able to do it because I am low-key tired of the curls and the waves. I love a great haircut that requires minimum styling, and the haircut is the hairstyle. So right now I'm just doing her haircut first. As you guys know, I always say that it's best to go ahead and cut the hair first and then go ahead and relax it. That way the sides, when you're relaxing it, the sides will lay down and they're smooth, because if you relax it first, you're not going to get that super sleekness on the sides. Pretty basic haircut, not going to really get into details. Y'all know the drill. You want to take a one-on-one, you can contact me via my website, mainlifestudio.com, and there you will see various options on classes. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. So we are done with the cut pretty much. I am using Affirm's conditioning relaxer system. I love Affirm relaxer. If you've been following me, you already know that. Anyway, it is the bomb. It's all of their products are really moisturizing. Our hair needs moisture to grow and to be healthy, and their products does exactly that. I do have a link in the description box to my Amazon store where you can purchase this relaxer. If you have a Cosmoprof in your area, you may be able to get it at Cosmoprof, or you can get it at Cosmoprof online. So wherever you can get it from, get you some, girl, because it's the bomb. And just to clarify, I do not work for a firm. I'm not affiliated with them in any kind of way. I just love the products and I truly stand by it. When applying a relaxer, virgin relaxer, any relaxer, you want to make sure that you are not directly putting the relaxer on the scalp. Now, I know when you go back and smooth it in, it may, get on the scalp, but don't directly put it on there initially, because a lot of people complain that their scalp burns fast and things like that, which I am a person that I do have sensitive scalp, and relaxers cannot sit very long on my head. But most of the time it's just because the relaxer is just being applied improperly, and you guys are slapping that relaxer on their scalp, and by the time you get to the top of the head, the hair is already burning.
Me twice.
as you can see, I am just smoothing. Her hair is semi-resistant, so you want to make sure that the hair is saturated really well and that we are smoothing. So I'm gonna go back several times and smooth her hair just to make sure that the hair is laid, honey. Laid. I mean, because it's nothing worse than paying for a relaxer and your hair, the relaxer just didn't take and your hair is still curly. That's crazy. So she has been shampooed, conditioned, all of that stuff. And now I'm just going in, cutting the top a little bit shorter and cleaning up just a tad bit before we start to get her molded and under the dryer. So now I'm gonna take my Main Mint foam, mold that hair all down. I'm gonna do a flat mold. We're not doing any waves or anything. However, I am going to do a little razzle dazzle around her hairline, but that's it. The rest of it is going to be flat. So she is dried and I am taking my clipper using a 1 guard and I'm just going down, cleaning up her sides and just taking a little bit off. Okay, so here goes the fun part. I am putting Kenra's hot spray. It's not a spritz, it is a firm holding heat protectant spray. um, I don't know, but I know it's not like a spritz or anything because it doesn't make the hair hard at all. So I am just really just bumping the hair. I'm not really trying to put much curls because she really didn't want it curled at all, or barely, she said. So, but this will just help make it last a little longer, floor the heat. I don't want it to be like just looking crazy the next day. So at least the curls fall or the bumps fall, she'll still have something there. But just remember that the haircut is the hairstyle, and the flat ironing and the curls is just something added to give the hair a little pizzazz. But if the hair is cut good, you got a nice cut you can work with. You don't have to do much styling. So as you can see how that hair is not hard at all. It's very, very manageable. There are no flakes or anything like that. I love Kenra products. I'm gonna just, kind of mess it up with my fingers, and then I'm gonna use a rake comb just to comb the sides a little bit, but that's it. Very low maintenance, very little to do. She can tie it down when she goes to sleep at night, get up, play with it with her fingers, and go. So this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get future notifications. Y'all know I love you so much, and I'll see you again for the next